When you export out your media, you may want to use your own settings. And in that case, what you can do is you can create custom presets for export in Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, you need to go around and click on export right here. And once you do that, what happens is that in any of the media that you select, like let's say, for example, audio, image, or devices right here, custom is an option. So here you can see that right now no custom presets are created. So what you can do is you can go around onto advanced settings right here and create one. So here you can see that you can go around and choose the export settings, like the format that you want to export in. Let's say I want to export it in AVI format right here, and this is what I have. So I can go around and choose a video code right here and then change around the settings. You can change around the frame rate, as you can see right here. You can choose whether you can choose progressive upper or lower field, that is, you can export interlace formats as well, and change the settings as you like. You can change the audio quality right here, change the channel as well to 5.1. Now just select the sample size of the audio right here, and so forth. So go around and press OK, and let's say, for example, you want to save it as custom preset AVI right here. Once you do that, what happens is that custom preset AVI is selected and you can export out your video in that particular format. So if I were to go around and click on save, so it says it won't include any audio because of the settings. You can see that it renders out in that particular format. Let me just go around and cancel this out right here. You can go around over here and add in other formats as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select S.264 right here, and then I'm going to just leave the audio as it is, but I'm going to go around and change around the width and height right here to, let's say, for example, some different format, and keep the frame rate as 60 frames per second and choose the TV standard as PAL right here. So you can go around and change around, custom tailor the format according to how you want, and press OK. So I'm just going to go around and say custom MP4 right here, just like this, MP4, press OK, and then what happens is that I got two formats right here, as you can see. You can also go around and delete this out if you want. Same goes for audio as well. You can go to custom and go to advanced settings, and you can choose different audio formats like MP3 right here or AAC audio as well, just like that. So what you see right here is limited right here, but you can go around onto advanced settings and change it around according to how you want. So in image as well, if I were to go to advanced settings, then you can see that I got different options over here as well. So that is what you can do. So you can go around and export it out as, let's say, MP4 right here, just like this, and then just go around and export out your work according to how you want. So that is how you can create custom presets for exports inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.